Good morning, students. Today I am going to start our new topic, which is ADR and GDR. That means American Deposit Receipt and Global Deposit Receipt. In India, the shares of the public company are listed and traded on various stock exchange. It means a public company increase the increase the capital by issue of the shares to the general public. These shares are listed on a stock exchange. The Indian companies generally list their shares on Indian Stock Exchange such as BSE or NSE. BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. When the Indian companies want more capital, then the Indian companies can also raise equity capital by issuing shares to the other countries, that is, foreign countries. The foreign countries listed and traded them on the stock exchange, like New York Stock Exchange, that is NYSE, or National Association of Securities Dealer Automated Quotation, that is NASDAQ. However, the company has to comply with policies of foreign stock exchange. These compliances at the time are too complicated and the Indian company may find it expensive to comply with the policies of foreign stock exchange. Therefore, those Indian companies which cannot list their shares directly on foreign stock exchange get listed indirectly using ADR and GDR. It means in order to raise the capital from foreign country, the Indian company use the ADR and GDR route. For example, MTNL, HDFC, ICICI Bank, Wipro, Infosys Technology, etc. Some of the Indian companies who have issued ADR and GDR. Come to the next point. ADR and GDR are dollar euro denominated instrument traded in USA and Europe stock exchange. Firstly, understand the currency of ADR and GDR. So, ADR, as I told you, stand for America. That means representing USA dollar denominated instrument traded in stock exchange. Whereas GDR means global, globally all over, even Euro, that means European country. Therefore, GDR represent dollar euros denominated instrument traded in a stock exchange. Indian company issues the shares to an intermediary called depository. What is the meaning of depository? I explain. When Indian company listed and traded in foreign stock exchange and foreign company can purchase the shares from the Indian company. All these process can be done by custodian bank. Custodian bank means foreign bank such as Bank of New York, Citigroup, Bank of America, etc. Thereafter, the custodian bank or foreign bank can issue the receipt to the investor. Who is the investor here? Indian company. This receipt is known as a depository receipt. There are the two types of the depository receipt can be issued by the foreign company or custodian bank or the depository, which are ADR or GDR. ADR means American Deposit Receipt, GDR means Global Deposit Receipt. The ADR and GDR represent fixed number of shares. Fixed number of share means like 1000 shares, 10,000 share, 20,000 shares or more share, but in a fixed number of share. With the help of the ADR and GDR, here the shares can be sold out in a foreign country easily. If they are listed on stock exchange, then price became fluctuated, means sometime low or sometime high. It depends upon the market condition. If the demand of the share is high in the market, Therefore, the company can get more earning. Both ADR and GDR are depository receipts, but only the difference is the location where they are traded. Here, the differences of ADR and GDR I have ready in a simple format under which you will be able to understand easily. Firstly, I explain ADR. If depository receipt is traded in USA only, it is called as American Depository Receipt, that is ADR. Whereas if depository receipt is traded in a country other than USA, is called Global Depository Receipt, that is GDR. There is not much of a difference between ADR and GDR, except that ADRs are traded on American Stock Exchange and GDR are traded on stock exchange other than an American Stock Exchange. Here I am writing some rules also. Again I explain. ADR is a dollar denominated instrument traded on stock exchange of USA, whereas GDR is the euro dollar denominated instrument traded on stock exchange of the country other than USA. Non-resident Indians, that is NRI, and foreign countries can also invest the money in India by the purchasing of ADR and GDR. They can buy ADR and GDR using their equity shares trading account. The company pays dividend in home currency to the depository bank, and the depository bank convert into the currency of investor and pays dividend. It means that the investor earn dividend on ADR and GDR. The company does not pay dividend directly to the investor. The company pays the dividend of the depository in the home currency of the company. This amount is then converted into the currency of investors by the depository and paid them. The exchange on which the GDR is traded other than USA are as follow. That one, London Stock Exchange. Second, Luxembourg Stock Exchange. Third, Nasdaq Dubai. Fourth, Singapore Stock Exchange. And the last one, Hong Kong Stock Exchange. This is the specimen of ADR certificate and depository receipt. Thank you.